Today, we'll be talking about Econazole Nitrate Cream. This medication is used to treat fungal skin infections such as athlete's foot, jock itch, and ringworm. It can also be used to treat a condition called pityriasis, which causes changes in the color of the skin on the neck, chest, arms, or legs. Econazole works by stopping the growth of fungus. The recommended daily dosage and optimal timing for using this medication can vary depending on the specific condition being treated, so be sure to follow the instructions from your healthcare provider. Remember that it's important to use this medication as directed for the best results. Hello everyone, today we're talking about Econazole Nitrate Cream. This medication is used on the skin only. Before applying, make sure to clean and dry the affected area. Your doctor will direct you on how often to apply the cream, usually once or twice a day. The dosage and length of treatment will depend on the type of infection being treated, so be sure to follow your doctor's instructions carefully. After applying the cream, remember to wash your hands unless the area being treated includes your hands. Avoid wrapping, covering, or bandaging the area unless your doctor tells you to do so. Also, do not apply the cream in the eyes, nose, mouth, or inside the vagina. If the cream does get into these areas, flush with plenty of water. For best results, use this medication at the same time each day. It's important to continue using the cream until the full prescribed amount is finished, even if your symptoms improve. Stopping the medication too early may cause the infection to return. If your condition persists after 2 weeks of treatment, or after 4 weeks for athlete's foot, or if it gets worse, be sure to contact your doctor. And that's all for today's video on Econazole Nitrate Cream. Thanks for watching. If you experience burning, stinging, irritation, or redness at the application site, let your doctor or pharmacist know. This medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the risks. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. In rare cases, a serious allergic reaction may occur. Seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. If you notice any other effects not listed here, contact your doctor or pharmacist. Before using Econazole Nitrate Cream, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to it or other similar antifungal medications. It's also important to discuss your medical history and any other medications you may be taking. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, talk to your doctor about the potential risks and benefits of using this medication. And before undergoing any surgery, be sure to inform your doctor about all the medications and products you are using. When using Econazole Nitrate Cream, it is important to be aware of potential drug interactions. These interactions can affect how the medication works and may increase the risk of experiencing serious side effects. It is essential to keep a list of all the products you use, including both prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as any herbal products, and share this list with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not make any changes to your medication dosage without first consulting your doctor. If Econazole Nitrate Cream is swallowed, it can be harmful. In case of an overdose and serious symptoms such as passing out or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. For U.S. residents, the local poison control center can be reached at 1-800-222-1222, and for Canadian residents, a provincial poison control center can be contacted. It's important not to share this medication with others, as it has been prescribed specifically for your current condition. It's also crucial not to use it later for another infection unless your doctor instructs you to do so. If you're using this medication to treat pityriasis, keep in mind that it may take several months after treatment is completed for your natural skin color to return to normal. If you forget to use Econazole Nitrate Cream, apply it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, skip the missed dose and continue with your regular schedule. Don't use a double dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to using Econazole Nitrate Cream, it's important to store it at room temperature and keep it away from children and pets. Make sure not to flush the medication down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. When the product is expired or no longer needed, it's best to properly discard it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.